In this video, we're going to calculate the area of any triangle. So the formula is the same as we have for a right angle triangle, which is a half times base times height. Now, the height is not necessarily a side of the triangle. It's the distance from the base at right angles to the top point of the triangle. So here we have an example below. So the first thing we obviously need to do is write out our formula. Now in shorthand, we could write it as A is equal to half times base times height. So a half is a half times by now the base. Here's a base here. It's the side 4. Now the height, well, it's not the 6. The 6 is the length of this side here, but that's not at right angles to the base. The 7 is the height. It goes from the base at right angles to the top. So it's 4 times 7. And if we put that into our calculator, we're going to get 14, and it's all in centimetres, so 14 centimetres squared.